How to add Trust Wallet to your browser. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add Trust Wallet to your browser. So to do that, first of all, open up any browser where you want to add Trust Wallet. So for the sake of this video, I've simply chosen Google Chrome or the Chrome browser. Now once you've opened your browser, in the web address part, type in trustwallet.com. After that, you will be taken to this page where you'll have to simply tap on the option available in the Chrome Web Store. After that, you will be redirected to the Chrome Web Store where you'll have to tap on the option Add to Chrome and then tap on the option Add Extension. After that, Trust Wallet has been added to your Chrome, and now if you already have a wallet, you can simply import or recover your wallet, or if you want, you can also connect your Ledger wallet. But if you don't have a Trust Wallet, you can simply create a new one by tapping the option Create a New Wallet. And once you follow all the steps, you'll have successfully created a new Trust Wallet. Now, once you have your wallet, next time when you want to access Trust Wallet, all you have to do is tap on the extensions option and then tap on the option Trust Wallet. Now, once you do that, instead of this entire page, a small window like option will appear over here. So since I don't have my wallet, it is redirecting me to this page. But once you have your wallet, only a small window like icon will appear over here. So that is basically how you add Trust Wallet to your browser. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.